friends, good morning. Today the weather is so nice because there is bright sunshine. Last week it was raining and weather was cloudy. Nature is wonderful, isn't it? So it has provided us lots of things like plant life, animal life, etc. It is our duty to protect the plant life as well as conserve them and take care of all the nature. So I have made a small effort to share my knowledge with everybody in the channel called Nature's Bounty. I am Jacinta. Welcome to my channel Nature's Bounty. I have got a small garden in front of my house where I have planted varieties of flowering plants as well as fruit trees. I take care of them, I water them, and also manure these plants because plants are the life for the human being, isn't it? So it is my small effort in the Nature's Bounty channel where I will be sharing my knowledge with everybody. We all should make small efforts to protect and conserve the nature. Hope you agree with me. Without any delay, let's go and see my garden. If you want to know more about my videos about the plant care, copy the link and inform me. I will make a video and upload in my next channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.